3 monochromatic, almost all blue, because I always will be using a transition shade, but the transition shade is not actually a shadow, so I don't know. Well, I will show you what I'm going to use, and let's apply everything on this eye. Well, I will be applying the blues. This one in the crease as a transition shade, so I can have something else. But the shadows, it will be this one in the outer V, this one just following it, this one in the inner part, and this one as a highlighter. This is a light blue. These 3 shades I will be trying to use my fingers, but my fingers are a little bit bigger from this kind of sort of this triangle here is kind of bothering me, but well, those are the brushes I'm using, so yeah. I will just put a concealer on the lid, under the brow bone. All this area has concealer, but I haven't set it, so it has some more stickiness to it. And I will stamp this area to create a shadow. It's not like I'm using brown as another color and say, hey, Danny, use a monochromatic. Yeah, but I need this to make it more flawless and not so that blue that it will be like, oh my god, you don't have another palette. And that is not technically an eyeshadow. I'm not considering it as part of the eye look, actually, even though it is part of the look. But it's kind of like my skin tone but better sort of situation, so I don't feel so much guilty saying that it's a kind of a monochromatic, because I'm using all blue except this one, but it is not a shadow. What do you think? I should consider it as non-monochromatic, or I should consider this of the family, is that the family color, or I should consider this that it has 2 shades, brown and blue. I will pick the blue shade, the one that is going to be out here. I need to be very careful with this placement because I don't want it to go very far. And the other eye applied 3 times, so that's what I'm going to do. I don't know, I have this kind of wrinkle here that is it started bothering me. I don't know why, but I'm trying to place the shade what I want. In fact, I have a better visual with this eye than this eye, even though I'm just looking straight at the mirror like I did with this eye. The same place that I am standing, I did the other eye. And for this eye, I cannot it's kind of weird. A little bit closer to the mirror. You're not seeing it that I'm closer, but I am. We'll try to put it a little bit out there, but not so much. Just when I close my eyes, it won't do a weird thing. So, can you see that? Okay. Now I will apply the other shade here. It looks weird this, but I will clean it with a wipe, and I will put concealer on top, so don't worry. I will use this shade right there. I had the same issue. I don't know why. I have color on my nails, and when I touch this area, I just have some of the shadow transferred. But it's my fault, it's not the shade's fault. And with the other finger that I have in this one, I will just grab that lightest blue right there. And I will just go back with this brush without anything on it, the one that I just used, and I will try to clean that mess. Just like that. Yeah. And again, the brush that I had, that blue, without anything, with the thing that is left, not so it can be like that transition from that shade to another. I will break the shade again. Pick the shade, now bring the shade. So with the finger I will try to make it, I guess, one, and that's it. I will clean this. You can clean it with a wipe, with the remover wipe or something, and maybe I have something left here, right there. So that's why I do my eyes first when I wear colors or something, so it has that shape that is flattering on me. Maybe on you it won't be flattering, so you need to adjust this look to your eye. The final touch, the highlight right there, the light blue, and the remaining of the brush will go to the brow bone. I always do that. And that's it. You have it there. This eye look. What do you think? So this is the day number 3, and I hope to see you tomorrow.